Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more DIY hacks and product reviews. Today, I'm going to unbox and try this Barge Cement Superstik shoe glue that I bought online. And let's see if it's really effective. Now, let's get down to business. I'll show you how easy it is to use the shoe glue to fix your rubber shoes. First, make sure the area you're going to glue is clean and dry. Let me apply it now.
One hour later.
Look at the difference, it really works. So if you're looking for an affordable and effective solution to fix your rubber shoes, I highly recommend this shoe glue. I'll drop a link in the video description box below where you can purchase it. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future video. Thanks for watching.